Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. We're gonna start off this video with a super quick unboxing. This is a glow-in-the-dark polygel kit by SXC Cosmetics, and I'm just quickly going through all the products here. There's some paper forms, some dual forms, some rhinestones, 180, 100 grit vial, a polygel brush, and it has the brush and the scraper tool on one side, and silver glitter, this multi cut circle glitter, base coat, a top coat, and then the polygel colors. There's Aquarius, Scorpio, Taurus, Libra, Virgo, and seems like that last one got cut off there, but we go through all of them individually. And I think my favorite out of the bunch is probably Scorpio, and I'm not just saying that because I'm Scorpio, but no, I totally am. But anyways, yeah, I think my favorite is Scorpio. Today we're working on some press-on nails, and I'll get into that reasoning later. And I just have these EC Basket full cover stiletto nails just stuck onto my nail stand here with some wall tack. I'm gonna maybe try and work on getting some white wall tack so the tack itself is not so stark on the nail, because I feel like I built these nails up pretty high because I was trying to cover that dark blue spot from the wall tack. So the first color we went in was the orange color, which was Taurus, and then now we're going in with Aquarius, which is this, I'd say it's kind of like between a lilac and a medium purple color. By the way guys, if I'm being like kind of quiet and I don't know, not as lively as I usually am, it's because it's 1:46 in the morning yet again. I am filming this voiceover when at the only time I have time, and the only time that it's quiet in my house because both my children are asleep and my husband's asleep and my dog's asleep, so there's no disturbances. There's peace among the house, and it's finally quiet enough for me to record this. So now we're going in with Virgo, and I really like this shade. It's a really bright bubblegum pink, and I feel like this is probably my second favorite shade. And for slip solution today, I'm using Burano Polygel Slip Solution. I would not recommend using this with alcohol because I feel like alcohol kind of dries it out and will leave marks on the nail when you cure it. So if you have access to polygel liquid or slip solution, I recommend opting for that instead of the alcohol. But if you don't have either of those, you know, the next best thing is either base coat. If you don't have base coat for whatever reason, or you don't want to use base coat, then alcohol is kind of like the last option. So here you kind of see me trying to go in with a second bead after I cure the first layer to build up the apex. And honestly, that's not really necessary because these are press-on nails, so I'm not really wearing these anywhere. They're just kind of for display. I'm going in here with the blue color. I'm not sure what color this is, I'm sorry. I'll leave everything in the comments or the description box depending on where you're watching. So this is the second nail stand. I kind of switch up the placement on each hand of the colors because there is 6 colors in the kit, so I had to use all 5 colors, and then I had to repeat one of the colors. So I think I chose to repeat the Scorpio color because I really liked it. So I'm just patting this in here and working it in. This is sped up super fast, so it doesn't show how, I don't know, how much I kind of struggled working with the polygel, because it's been a while since I've worked with polygel. But once I got to maybe like the 2nd or 3rd finger, I kind of got the hang of it, and I realized that you kind of have to push the product instead of dragging it, and I have to make sure that my brush has enough slip solution on it, but not too much slip solution, because then it gets under the nail and then kind of soaks the wall tack, and then the nail will pop off before it cures, and that is not fun. It's just not fun, because uncured polygel is soft, so once you try and push the nail back on the tack, you just kind of ruined all that smoothing you worked so hard to do. So I'm working that blue color down the nail again. I'm actually gonna see what color that is, because it's bothering me that I don't know what color it is. So, oh, that blue color is Aries. So now I know that blue color is Aries. I'm going in on the thumb here, and I'm just working it on. So this is after I've filed and shaped the nails. I shaped up the sides, and then I filed over the top to make sure that the base was smooth. And now I'm going in with some base coat gel, and I'm going in with the glitters from the kit. I'm honestly pretty disappointed, because in the listing, the Amazon listing, I'm going to leave a picture here. The glitters are not the ones that I received, so I don't know, maybe it's outdated, I'm not sure, but what was in the picture was not what I got. So honestly, this is just like a silver glitter. It's not even holographic, so it's not that exciting. I have like 2 or 3 of these already, so I'm not that crazy about it. What you saw me try and do, I was trying to do like some artsy stuff and kind of go in like a diagonal line, but I ended up just kind of doing it across the entire nail. Now this glitter, I don't have another glitter like this, so I like this one a lot more. This one, I'm applying them again into a base coat, and this is a Marcart base coat. It's just the base coat that I had on my desk. I like to finish up a base coat and then move on to the next one. I don't like to have a bunch of them open, so that's why I'm using this one. I'm just ombreing this glitter down the nail, and I feel like I did a lot better at ombreing and kind of not flooding the entire nail with this glitter than I did with the other glitter. But it's, you know how it goes, it's just kind of a process of trial and error. So I'm setting these into the base coat gel, and while I do this, after I set these in, I'm gonna go ahead and cure, and then I'm gonna go over it again with the base coat to kind of sandwich them in. I don't like to layer top coat on top of top coat because I find that it peels. So base coat gel is nice and sticky, so it's not gonna peel. The reason I'm working on press-on nails today is because I recently started developing an allergy to monomer and gel products, so that's why I'm wearing gloves. If you're kind of a hobbyist, like a nail hobbyist like I am, please wear gloves, protect your skin. I did not educate myself, and unfortunately now I'm paying the consequences. You know, I get contact dermatitis when my skin comes into contact with these products. So for now, I have to protect my skin and, you know, take precautions like work on press-on nails and switch hopefully to polygel in the future. For now, it's just gonna be the press-on nails. It's pretty sad, but it is what it is. I'm doing what I can by still expressing myself through press-on nails. You know, it may not be through acrylic nails, but at least I still have this. So after the nails came out of curing, I top coated them. Now I'm placing on these holographic flame stickers. These are from Amazon, but you can get these anywhere, like literally anywhere. They sell these everywhere, AliExpress, Wish. If you want to spend the extra money and get them, you know, super fast, you can buy them on Amazon. But you can get these anywhere. And I had these sitting around. I've only used them like once before this, so I was like, I really want to use these flames. And I feel like they really dress up this look. So once I put these down, I'm going to make sure and flatten them down very, very well. And I'm going to make sure and flatten them down like right before I top coat them. And when I go in, I top coat heavy. Like, I mean, like the brush is sopping in top coat. And that's why you see me wipe down the sides, because it kind of drips down the sides. So now I'm scooping out some of those rhinestones that came in the kit, and I love these rhinestones. They're so beautiful. I cannot get enough of them. And I'm using my Macart nail glue to stick them onto the tip of the nail. And honestly, I should have probably buffed the surface where I was going to place the stone, because you see me kind of chasing the stone around the nail and my mat there, because it was just not wanting to stick to the nail, because I had already top coated, and like nothing sticks to top coat, and so it's just kind of like sliding around there. So I struggle there for a bit, but I get it to work, and I do it for every single flame nail. So once those are on, we are at the end of our design. Here is the finished look. But anyways, guys, thank you so much for spending time with me. It's been really nice. I hope you tune in next week for next week's videos. I make makeup videos, I make nail videos, sometimes lifestyle videos, because I did upload that study with me. But if you enjoy my video, if you enjoy my content, please make sure and like and share and subscribe, depending on what platform you're on. At the end here, stay tuned. We're gonna get some glow in the dark shots. They're not the best glow in the dark, but you can kind of see the effect here on my hands. So I just wanted to make sure and include some shots there at the end. Make sure and click like if you liked. I really hope to see you next time. Please take care, and I hope to see you next time. Love you. Bye.